In today's quick video, I'll clearly demonstrate the best way to create JavaScript links in HTML. Developers often wonder what the best practice is when creating links that trigger JavaScript actions. Should you use href equals hash, href equals JavaScript void 0, or something else entirely? The best practice is actually very simple and effective. You set the href attribute to hash and then use JavaScript with event.preventDefault to prevent any unwanted page scrolling or default browser actions. Here's a practical demonstration. Notice our anchor tag with href equals hash. When I click the link, it triggers an alert message without causing the browser to jump to the top. This happens because our JavaScript captures the click event and calls event.preventDefault, stopping the default action. This approach is simple, accessible, and clearly communicates your intention to other developers reading your code. Thanks for watching. If this quick tip helped you, please subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more clear and practical web development advice.